The strength of any digital bank begins with how well it protects customer deposits, and Neon Bank has built one of the strongest frameworks in the neobanking space. When users deposit money into their Neon account, those funds are fully safeguarded through a regulated and multi-layered protection structure. This system ensures that customer balances remain secure even during operational challenges, financial downturns, or unexpected disruptions within the banking environment. Neon Bank partners with licensed and fully regulated financial institutions that operate under strict banking supervision. This partnership means customer deposits are insured up to the required limits through government-backed deposit insurance programs. Every dollar in eligible accounts is protected up to the insurance threshold, giving users confidence that their funds remain safe regardless of market conditions. Beyond the official insurance coverage, Neon Bank integrates advanced security practices, including continuous monitoring, fraud detection algorithms, and encrypted transaction pathways. These security layers work together to protect deposits from unauthorized access, system breaches, or internal vulnerabilities. The moment a user initiates a deposit, the system verifies, encrypts, and records the transaction in a secure environment that meets industry-leading standards. Neon Bank also maintains strict fund segregation policies. Customer deposits are kept separate from operational funds, ensuring that client balances cannot be used for internal expenses or exposed to corporate liabilities. This separation reinforces user protection and guarantees that deposits remain intact under all regulatory circumstances. The platform provides real-time access to balance updates, transaction histories, and notifications, allowing users to track their insured funds with accuracy. Combined with round-the-clock support, users receive both financial protection and operational transparency. Neon Bank's deposit insurance and protection framework delivers a reliable, compliant, and secure environment for storing money, built to meet modern digital banking demands while safeguarding every insured dollar with precision.